Well, today what we're going to try and do is divide decimal numbers by single digit whole numbers. So you can see, for example, I've got a decimal number here, 11 and 328 thousandths, and we're going to divide it by a single digit whole number, which is 3. So that's our goal for today, and let's walk it through and see if we can figure this out. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set this up like long division. So we've worked on long division in Math 5, and so let's just begin by setting it up as a long division question. Really, in the end, it's the same as doing long division. The only difference is when we get to the spot with the decimal, we're just going to move the decimal up into the answer. So the first thing you can see is I can't divide 1 into 3. So what I can do, though, is I can divide 11 into 3. So 3 splits up 11, and what we're going to get is we're going to get 3 in each group. So 3 times 3 leaves us with 9. So we were given 11, we only used 9, so we have 2 left over. What we're going to now do is we're going to bring that 3 down. Now, because I've moved this decimal up above, what I'm going to do now is I am going to put my next digit just above the 3, right beside the decimal point. So I'm now thinking to myself, just like in long division, how do I take 23, and how many will be in each group if I divide it up into 3 groups? And the answer to that is 7. So when we do that, 7 times 3 leaves us with 21. 23 minus 21 gives us 2. We're now going to bring down the next number. We had 2 left over, bring down 2, so we're at 22 now. So we ask ourselves, you take 22, you're dividing it up into 3 groups, how much is in each group? Again, it's going to be 7. 7 times 3, we used 21, we're left with 1 left over. Bring down that 8. Last thing we're going to say is we've got 18, we're dividing it into 3 groups, how many are in each group? And the answer to that is 6. 6 times 3, hey, we had 18, we used 18, there's no remainder here, so you can see my answer to this question is if you take 11 and 328 thousandths and you divide it by 3, you end up getting an answer of 3 and 776 thousandths. Hopefully this helps as you begin long division with decimals.